Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad. This is the Firefighter's Financial Toolbox. Tesla just seems to keep making headlines, you guys. And yesterday they announced, actually on Tuesday they announced a 5-for-1 stock split. So what does that mean? Well, you know that Tesla stock, and I'm not sure exact valuations right now, but it's over $1,500 for a single share. Now, as you guys know, I have two shares, only two, and they're up over 400% each right now. But let me read the announcement from Tesla. Tesla announces a 5-for-1 stock split. Palo Alto, California, August 11th, 2020. Tesla Inc. announced today that the board of directors has approved and declared a 5-for-1 split of Tesla's common stock in the form of a stock dividend to make stock ownership more accessible to employees and investors. Each stockholder of record on August 21st, 2020 will receive a dividend of 4 additional shares of common stock for each then held share, to be distributed after the close of trading on August 28th. Trading will begin on the split adjusted stock price on August 31st, 2020.
So why the stock split, and what does it mean for investors?
Well, Alexis, this is Tesla's first ever stock split, and what this indicates for Tesla is an increase in demand for its shares following a more than 200% run up for the year to date. Now, this split, as you mentioned, will in theory make shares more accessible and affordable, especially to retail investors, which, as we know, are very important for Tesla stock overall. Now, in Tesla's case, the split adjusted stock price is set to be in the hundreds of dollars rather than the well over $1,000 it's trading at now, just to give a sense of that affordability aspect.
Okay, what does that mean? Well, first of all, what happened when they announced it? What do you guys think happened? The stock price shot up. After they announced, Tesla shares surged the day after stock split is announced by 13.12%. 13.12% increase because people think it's going to go higher. So these are not long-term investors, you guys. I told you, I bought these stocks over a year ago and I intend to hold them. Now, they're getting expensive. So what does the 5-in-1 stock split really mean? First of all, it doesn't mean that my $1,500 shares are going to be made into, instead of having two, I'm not going to have 10 $1,500 shares. What it means is, and let's just use $1,500 for an easy number. Let's say one share of Tesla costs $1,500. When they split it into 5, that means I'm going to have 5 shares now, but they're each going to be worth a share price of $300. So the overall price of my stocks doesn't change. So what does that mean? In short, it means that each Tesla shareholder will see their number of shares held increased by a factor of 5, but the value of the share will be adjusted accordingly. This aims to reduce the price per share, as Tesla puts it, to make stock ownership more accessible to investors and employees. So basically what it means, you guys, is it's lowering the price. So instead of having to spend $1,500 for a single share, you can get a single share for $300. But here's the thing. If you're on a platform like M1 or any other platform that allows you to buy fractional shares, you guys, it doesn't matter. You can still buy them. Now, is it going to change anything in what I do? Absolutely not. I'm going to hold my 2 shares, which will, at the end of the month, become 10 shares, but the valuation is going to be the same. It's just a new thing that as the prices have really gone up, the board of directors said, hey, let's make more shares available to the public so we can sell more. And by enticing people to go out and buy single shares because they cost less, it doesn't really change anything. Do I think it's a good move? I'm indifferent. I think that the price is going to go up. It's a good company. It's got a lot of potential. It's just going to have more shares outstanding, so there's not going to be as much value in a single share. All right, you guys, what do you think? Is Tesla overvalued? Are they undervalued? Do you think the split is a good thing or a bad thing? Let me know in the comments. Either way. All right, you guys, if you got something out of this, do me a favor, drop me that like. Smash the like button, as Graham Stephan would say. Smash it, destroy it, kill it. It helps the algorithm. If you're not already subscribed, you guys, hit the red subscribe button, ring the bell. You get notified every time I make a video. All right, thanks a lot.